Hey gang, this is Kirk from Momento, and today we are talking about an easy and affordable way to add chat functionality to your games and applications. Chat is one of those things that many people need, but developers keep reinventing the code for it, or they just buy a service to not mess with it at all. But then you get the cost. If you do host it yourself, well, then you have to worry about security, and that's always a concern. Recently, we've seen a notable rise in customers adding small but powerful chat apps using Momento Topics, our serverless publish and subscribe messaging service. With that, we decided to create and release a sample app so that you don't have to toil with creating one from scratch. You can take ours, integrate into your own apps, customize it to your heart's content, or simply pick what you need and leave the rest behind. This example app uses Next.js, a React framework for the browser app. If you're not familiar with it, it's really powerful, easy to learn, and I'll put a link for you in the video's description so you can learn more about it. There are two key things about this app and Momento Topics that I want to call out about this. This app can support multiple simple chat rooms by using multiple topics. This is important because you can support the creation of chat rooms just by instantiating a new topic client object from Momento Topics. There's no admin work to create a room, and they're disposable if you need them to be. As always, you are only charged for the amount of data transferred and nothing else in Momento Topics. The second one is, this is a secure direct connection from the browser directly to Momento Topics. There's no intermediary data services to shuffle data between the browser and Momento services. This solution has a built-in security token vending machine, as we like to call it, to issue short-lived tokens to browsers for their sessions and give the user access only to the rooms that they should have access to. These tokens time out, can be automatically refreshed if you want, and keep your data and services secure. All of these APIs are built into Momento services, but this token vending machine streamlines the usage of all of this. Here we are looking at the demo app. I have a drop-down for the caches the chat will be stored in. I can select one of these from the list, and I'm going to select Demo Cache. Then I need to type in the name of a chat room. In this case, my chat. Behind the scenes here, the app is communicated with Momento services using the app's Momento Auth token to get this list of caches in the account. Once you type in the chat room name, here in a few seconds it will connect and create a topic with that name in Momento Topics. Now I'm going to add my username, Kirk, hit enter, and now I'm in the chat room. A few things have gone on behind the scenes that are important to talk about. First, we are no longer using the app's Momento Auth token to authorize with Momento services like we were before. The web app you see here is now using the chat server's built-in token vending machine that I talked about earlier, which uses Momento's Auth API to generate a short-lived auth token for use in the browser apps just like this one. With this short-lived token, the scope of access has been narrowed down to only allow access to this cache and this specific topic, which is the chat room, and only for 30 minutes before the token needs to be refreshed. Now we'll send a message real quick in the chat room. My chat message. This looks simple enough, but let's dive a little bit deeper again. We're using that short-lived token and connecting directly from the browser app to Momento Topics to publish that message to the chat room. But also, this browser app is subscribed to that topic, so it gets all of the messages sent to the chat room, thus our seeing this message on screen. But you could have most any app subscribing to this topic. It's not unique to the web app example that you're seeing right here. If this was a publicly managed chat room, you could have multiple people connecting to this and everyone would see everybody else's messages. For more information on Momento Topics and Momento token security, I'll put more links in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends.